Hi everyone, we're going to find the length of the curve for x equals log of t and y equals 1/2 times the quantity of t plus 1 divided by t over the interval 1 divided by e to e. So we're going to use this formula for length, arc length, for our parametric equations we have. So first we need to find the derivative of x with respect to t. And that's just going to equal 1 divided by t. And then we also need our derivative of y with respect to t. And that's going to equal 1/2. This will be 1 minus t to the power of -2. And then we simplify by just simply put it in our formula here. So our length equals the integral from 1 divided by e to e. And then we're going to have the square root and substitute everything in. So 1 divided by t squared plus square root, plus 1/2 times 1 minus t to the power of -2 squared dt. And from here on out, we're just going to keep simplifying till it makes it easier to integrate. So we have our integral from lower limit to our upper limit here, and this is going to be the square root of 1 divided by t squared plus 1/4. When you expand this, we're going to get 1 minus 2 divided by t squared plus, and I'm going to go ahead and write this as 1 divided by t to the power of 4. All right, and dt. All right, from here, I can multiply everything through by 1/4. So let's see what we have. We're trying to make this as easy to integrate as possible. So we're going to have 1 divided by t squared plus 1/4 minus 2 divided by t squared, and that's a 4 in front there, plus 1 divided by 4 t to the power of 4. All right, let's see, dt. Now the only thing I'm trying to do here is I want to take the square root of 4, and I need to add these two. So I'm going to have the common denominator. I'm going to put a 4 here and make that a 4, because that gives me the same thing. So these two terms here are going to be equal to 4 divided by 4 times t squared minus 2 times 4 t squared. So that's going to give you 2 divided by 4 t squared. And when you simplify this, what I'm going to do is take the square root of 4 and pull it out. So the square root of 4 is 2, and I'm going to pull out a 1/2. So this is going to give me 1/2, and then we have the integral from 1 divided by e to e, square root, and remember we had that 1/4. So when you pull that out, we're going to have 1. Because when you took the square root of it, that's just going to give you 1, plus 2 divided by t squared plus 1 divided by t to the power of 4. Basically, I just pulled out the 1/4 part. All right. Now let's see if we can group this together. We're going to have 1/2 times the integral of 1 divided by e to e, and this is going to end up being square root of 1. This is a perfect square trinomial, so you're going to have 1 plus 1 divided by t squared dt. All right, what will happen is these will go away. So now we have 1/2 times the integral from 1 divided by e to e of 1 plus 1 divided by t squared dt. And when you integrate this, we're going to get 1/2, and you're going to get t minus t to the power of -1. And we evaluate this from 1 divided by e to e. So let's see what we get. We're going to get 1/2. And then we're going to have e minus e to the power of -1. Then minus 1 divided by e minus e. Let's see what that gives us. This is going to give you 1/2. Then we're going to have 2 times e minus e to the power of -1. I just pulled that 2 out. So this gives you 1. That goes away. So basically we're left with that, and you can write this as e minus 1 divided by e. And that would be your final length of the curve. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.